Whakamotu ko te tau whakaalawhia te ki amtolu ko Ano, kisa mai moe mamata mai ki he tau whakahaoloanga he TV niwe ke lata ia moe kamatanga e pule whakamotu ke tolu whulumaono ki he tau nei. Tuko te tau whakamolemole hako to mui whakatasi haro tola tau whakahaoloanga ka moha ia ko nono tu ke he langa waka whakamua ke lata ia moe tau whi moe hong fulu. Koe mga hone ko liliu mai alo tolu kamata he matakalawhita mui pongini nei ko liliu mai tuai alo tolu ke waafa nei nā kai kisia mtaki tau o hai lo te tau waka he mamau lahi ka linga uni atu ke he ke kisia ka ko longona atu ke te tangata ne tutubi ko nei ko e waka sea halafou ne ko ki tuaka ko lau noa he tala hau lau tolu ne hai I mua e ne ko hoko mai ai ke tau tonga tau la. And a very good morning to everyone who is I guess this is the start of our Constitution celebrations, the Waka race that we have every year. And apologies that we are running a little bit late and we have just gotten here, but the race has already started. And as you would have all heard on Radio Sunshine, that the startup race is from the, I think it's the Open Men. At this stage, I can't see who is who, but I'm sure from all the commentary from around us, Lonoa is coming first. Kamalo? Looks like, yeah, Lonoa first, Kitty in a second, and BJ in a third. Okay, we have Lonoa first, second to Halafo Mokale, and then we have young BJ there coming third. So, very fast run. Very fast run from Lonoa. He looks like he's way in the front here. Ayama tamadgenanga lingam koe fuata patu fuata go Lonoa ngata ua ia ne ko hoko mai ia ki mua ko se hoko to tahe e mafisi hana tau langa ke he tau nei so rono te ki lalo mātua he wakasea ko halafou kai o nono fo ke BJ Rex ko mafisi he haki mai ke ta toi whakalata mo halafou. Ka kua linga kua toka ni e langa nei ke he patu fuata ko Lonoa. And I think this race has gone to Lonoa Ngataua from Hikutawake. And there's a really close race between Halafou Mokale and BJ Rex. And it looks like they're guess both in second place, or not quite sure from this point as to how the placings are, except the first place has gone to Lonoa. Okay, there's a very close race between Halafou and BJ. I think we all know him as Sifi. BJ is giving it all he can. Now he's coming really fast towards the end. Hei ko whakahiko ia whalata he langa kua mua Lonoa ai loko hei ne tuua ha kua ukalahi e langa Halafou mo BJ Rex. Ai lofo ko hei ai I tua ni tuwha. Ka tolonga ngai a whuki ni hei kone mumui ne o mai I tua he tau waka ko I tua ai la mua mitaki a ko hei ne tuwha. Ka tu lili ni ke whailoa te tau mga kuku koe langa whakamua ia ma tamatake nange lata ia mo tau ua whiong fulu i ka matanga I puli whakamotu langa waka he tau tangata tāni. Okay, and by the look of things, we still got 4 or 5 races still coming. They're very slow at the back. I'm not quite sure whether they're in the race or spectators, but there are still quite a few. There's number 5 way down at the other end. Actually, we have number 5 in the blue canoe who had just pulled in, and the white canoe way down the other end is coming in for 6th place, and we still have 2 way back there in the back, but unfortunately also because of the trees in front we can't see very well. Ka haya mata mata nang whai tangata langa ngai ni hau itua. Ai lo mahine mga nego e langa lo tolu porque o noa ni ka kua kisia e toko ono ko hoko ai ki he matahiku. Kai anono tuki toi kou e linga tolu angai ni e maka ne mumui mai tua. There are still 3 canoes way back at the back there. They're nearly to the end, but we already know who won the race for this year for the open men. I'm not sure what they're doing. They're really slow, but never mind. There are more races coming up very shortly. Also, the women, the new high school students. There's that race is always a guarantee to be a lot of fun and excitement as they give it their all to get to the end. Hey, mother, mga nang ono tum tolu ngayon ni maka ni fai langa mai tu, family male fang e maka ni o mai tu ai lo he mahoni ka ko ngoi men ni tupu ni mule la halo tolu to hoko mai porque kamata la halo tolu ke langa to waka fo kai mohaya ko kisia to tolu e ko siang be he to langa waka he ua fi mo hong fulu to ta he mafisi he patu fata na ko lo no tonga ni he to ko mali silinga ko ia falata gam mo e sikesi heke makalele heke no he makalele ki fina ki New Zealand ko ia foke to ko mali mo ai linga ko ia foke ko fi he to hane he tuta ke to langa waka ka hana lo tolu ne fai o moi ngai to ki he fgosianga he langa waka he to nei. And that's I guess that's the last 3 coming to the end line. There are not many people this morning, as you would have all heard. The race started very early this morning to avoid the sun, but it is a very cloudy day, so let's hope that it doesn't rain, because the raft races from the youth are going to be happening this afternoon, and I'm sure there'll be a lot more people with those, as every year there are a lot of spectators for the raft races and the competitors. But that's it from the open men. One person has jumped into the sea, or maybe his canoe has gone. Okay, I think his canoe sort of tipped over, so he's been held by the boat. Let's hope he can swim. Oh no, maybe by the look of things he's trying. Maybe it's his first time, but there is someone in the water being helped out by the boat. Okay, folks, we have received the results for that first race. That is the men's open event. As they started off from the wharf heading south. And now the end of the race. The standings right now is Lau Noa Ngataua came first, second to BJ Rex, third to Halafo Mokale, and fourth to Tomofai Fuhiniu. I'm not sure. Also, there's and fifth to Poi Okeseni. There's also Patonga, Justin Laponi, Tonlana, and City Hall. I'm not sure who were right at the end there, but those are the standings from the waka race for the open men. Haya madam ke nanga ko tau tutuanga ke lata ia mo langa waka whakamua he tau ua whi mo hong fulu ke he tau tangata taane tu kautua ia lono anga taua tu ua a BJ Rex tu tolu a Halafo Mokale tu wha a Tamawhai Fuhiniu mo tu lima a Poi Okeseni. Tolonga fuki ni alo tolu ne kua hohoko atu ke he langa waka nā kaya mamna ki mai ke kiskise moe mamata mai ki he tau a whini. Koe tau whini he tau tolu ka manaki ke langai. Hawhangi ki he tau whanau whini he anga toko longa pia whuki ni ki tau whata whini mai whafo koe open women with students aia. Ko lo tolu ka manaki ke langa ko Micah Fuhiniu, Pauline Rex, Juliana Tongahai, Jade Pusimani and Isabella Fuhiniu. Aia kua hoko mai mga honei ke kamata he tau whiwhine ko lo tolu kamata ke he kamata he wafu o atu ke he whahitonga ko ke whitu e poi he tau tonga tau la to liliuma i leaina. So ko lo tolu kua manaki ke langa i ko Micah Fuhiniu, Jade Pusimani Isabella fuhi New Pauline Rex mo Juliana tonga hai. Hai e fuata nā ko lau noa, ngata ua ko ia nā ko hake mai ki wafo. Ko ia ne kautua i ke langa waka he tau ne he tau mamatua tāne, ke ua ki ko PJ hai ne mui mai he tō hana, tōlua ki halafo mo kalei.